based in KwaZulu-Natal. He does not have a residential place in Gauteng, and there is no evidence of where he would stay closer to the court, as he purported to prove that he stay in Gauteng. He did not state how much money he has in the bank, nor why he did not instruct his attorney to unfreeze his bank account. There is no evidence to show that he would be re-employed or would get a new job. He further stated that he has not paid his legal representative a cent. In S versus Jonas, the following was said regarding the term exceptional circumstances. The term exceptional circumstances is not defined. There can be as many circumstances which are exceptional as the term in essence implies. An agent I'll have to verify this code, but the case goes on further to say a terminal illness may also be regarded as an exceptional circumstance. It would be futile to attempt to provide a list of possibilities which will constitute exceptional circumstances. To my mind, to incarcerate an innocent person for an offense which he did not commit would also be viewed as an exceptional circumstance. Where a man is charged with commission of a Schedule 6 offense, when everything points to the fact that he could not have committed the offense, because he has a cast iron alibi, this would likewise constitute exceptional circumstances. In this matter, the state did not place any evidence before the court either opposing the application for bail or in rebuttal of the applicant's denial of the commission of the offenses with which he had been charged. Yeah, I'm quoting what has been said in this case that I'm quoting. The court went further to say it would appear that the state had adopted this line of approach on the assumption that the appellant had all to do in order to succeed with his bail with his application for bail. Now, in this case before me, having considered the evidence before me, I'm satisfied that the applicant has not discharged the honors to prove exceptional circumstances exist, and that it would be in the interest of justice to grant bail. Will you please stand up? The application for bail is dismissed. You know that as I was reading my judgment, there are some